I just got back from a holiday and I realized I'm not someone who would like to blog or vlog while I'm on a holiday, because it's my time to really relax, unwind and just be myself, not having to worry about work. And that's what a vacation is all about, right? Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Manmeet Bhatia, and don't forget to subscribe towards the end of the video if you enjoy what I have to present. Today's video is going to be a very quick recap of everything that I wore on this mini vacation that I took to Aamby Valley, which was absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend that you plan a getaway with your family and friends. We were 20 of us and it was a whole lot of fun. There's so much to do, so many activities. I for one had no time because the schedule was so busy that I didn't even get time to take one picture of my outfit. So I thought this would be the perfect time to recap everything that I wore on this trip for all the activities that we did, so that you guys can get a little idea and reference point in case you are planning a holiday during the upcoming season. So before I pack everything back in its place, I thought this would be the perfect time to show you what I wore it for, and how I styled it. I'm not a light packer, but I'm definitely a smart packer. I tried to fit everything in an overnight suitcase, and that's all I carried. I didn't carry multiple bags. I carried one bag, which is my Zara bag, which goes with almost everything, and I'll show you in a minute exactly how. So let's get the show on the road. When it comes to airport fashion, I have a simple philosophy. Comfort is key. So as I prepared to embark on my journey, I knew my airport look had to strike that perfect balance between ease and style. For starters, I opted for a pair of jeans that I've come to adore. These Zara jeans that have been my go-to since the beginning of the year. What sets these jeans apart is their incredible stretch, making them the epitome of travel-friendly attire. To complement the jeans, I chose a straightforward yet eye-catching graphic tee from Urbanic. Its design added a touch of personality to my ensemble, making it clear that I wasn't just dressing for comfort but also for style. As for accessories, my tan crossbody bag from Zara was both practical and fashionable. It effortlessly held all my travel essentials and added a dash of sophistication to the overall look. Completing the ensemble were a pair of slim-fit sneakers, the ideal choice for navigating bustling terminals. They added a sporty and coordinated element to my entire look. Stepping into the airport, I felt like I'd mastered the art of airport chic. The outfit was comfortable for hours of travel, yet it also radiated a certain level of style and coordination. During the day, I was all about casual chic with a comfy t-shirt, but for the evening, I decided to add a touch of elegance. I switched my t-shirt for a stylish white crop top, which instantly made me feel more dressed up for the night. To stay cozy as the temperature dropped, I threw on a light beige open-knit cardigan from H&M and switched the sneakers for a black minimal strap sandals. It not only kept me warm, but also added a nice texture to my outfit. This simple outfit change showed me that vacation fashion is all about adaptability. You can effortlessly switch from day adventures to evening charm with a few tweaks. It's not just about what you wear, but how your outfit becomes a part of your vacation story. The next day kicked off with an early start for a mountain hike, followed by a thrilling water safari. I needed an outfit that could handle both the heights and the waves while keeping me stylish. I went for a pair of biker shorts in this eye-catching dual shade of purple and yellow from H&M. Not only did they look fantastic, but they were also made with dry fit technology, ensuring comfort even during the most action-packed moments. The vibrant color added a burst of energy to my look, setting the tone for the adventure. To stay stuck during the brisk mountain hike, I grabbed a cozy purple sweatshirt from H&M. It was the perfect companion, keeping me warm while matching my shorts for a coordinated vibe. As for the shoes, I stuck with my trusty slim-fit sneakers. They were up for the challenge, whether it was trekking up the mountain trails or splashing through the water on the safari. And of course, no adventure is complete without a pair of shades, and to keep my essentials handy, my tan crossbody bag was a lifesaver. It was practical and stylish, allowing me to move freely while keeping everything I needed close by. With this outfit, I was ready to take on the mountain and the waterways with equal enthusiasm. It was all about embracing the day's adventures while looking good and staying comfy. After a delightful lunch, I was ready to embrace the evening, and I decided to slip into something special. A midi dress from the brand Urban Revival, a recent discovery of mine on Myntra that I've grown to adore. With the promise of a sun-soaked day filled with laughter, exploration and delicious meals, my wardrobe needed to blend style and comfort seamlessly. The smoked pure cotton dress did just that. Paired with my slim-fit sneakers and trusty tan bag, it created a look that was not only comfortable but undeniably cute. Adorned with a cheerful yellow and brown floral print, it captured the essence of a carefree evening, sipping chai and relishing the rainy beauty of Aamby Valley. Crafted from 100% cotton, it offered the perfect combination of softness and breathability, ensuring I stayed cool and comfortable throughout my adventure. As the evenings got a bit chillier, I carried an extra layer, a cropped denim jacket from Mango that paired perfectly with this dress. Whether you're spending the day with friends, basking in the sun, exploring new sights, or reveling in after-hours fun, this dress turned out to be the ultimate travel companion. For a day filled with sightseeing and adventures, my choice of attire was all about striking that perfect balance between casual comfort and chic style. I started with a mango floral print pure cotton top which exuded a charming and relaxed vibe. Its breezy cotton fabric made it an ideal choice for a day of exploration, ensuring that I stay comfortable under the sun. The floral print added a touch of elegance to the outfit, perfect for both style-conscious travelers and nature enthusiasts. I paired the top with my favorite jeans, a classic choice that provided not only comfort but also a timeless, effortless look. And to complete the look, I slipped into a pair of slim-fit sneakers that I brought with me, making them an excellent choice for a day of city exploration. The key to making this look functional for a day out was my trusty tan crossbody bag, perfectly complementing the floral top. And of course, no exploration is complete without a pair of sunglasses. As I embarked on my day of sightseeing, this ensemble promised both comfort and style. The floral charm of the top combined with practicality of the crossbody bag ensured I could enjoy every moment without any sartorial distractions. For our final day of vacation, we had an exciting horse riding session lined up, followed by a leisurely lunch. So I needed an outfit that perfectly blended comfort and style. That's when I reached for my equestrian-inspired green and white linen play suit from Athena, a fantastic choice for those who want to look great while embracing adventure. This play suit was the definition of practical fashion, striking a flawless balance between style and function. Its shirt collar added a touch of elegance, while the short sleeves ensured I could move freely and stay comfortable. The waist tie-ups were a delightful touch, creating a flattering cinched-in effect that highlighted my figure, making it the perfect choice for the day. For practicality, I opted for my slim-fit nude sneakers. Unfortunately, they're currently sold out, but I'll provide a link to similar options for anyone who's interested. These sneakers were spot on for the activities ahead, offering both comfort and style. My trusty tan bag with a leather strap was the ideal companion, effortlessly carrying all my essentials, and of course a pair of sunglasses completed the look. With this outfit, I was all set to make the most of the day's activities while looking and feeling fantastic from start to finish. As the grand finale of our vacation approached, I was on the hunt for the perfect outfit that would effortlessly blend style, comfort, and versatility. Enter the black open knit sheath mini dress from Mango, a true gem in my vacation wardrobe that ticked all the right boxes. This dress quickly proved itself as an essential piece. Its geometric pattern, figure-flattering silhouette, and breathable fabric made it a must-have for travelers seeking both elegance and ease during their escape. What sets this dress apart is its ability to emerge from your suitcase fresh and ready for action without a wrinkle in sight. It's the ultimate travel companion, promising vacation chic with minimal fuss. The boat neck of the dress added a touch of sophistication, gracefully framing the collarbone, and with long regular sleeves and a straight mini hem, it struck the perfect balance between classic and contemporary, exuding an air of refinement that made it suitable for both casual outings and more formal affairs. So, whether you're stepping out for a leisurely stroll or attending a formal dinner and dance, this dress has you covered. Just toss it into your suitcase and set off for your next adventure in style. It's the kind of garment that effortlessly elevates your vacation wardrobe, allowing you to look and feel like $1,000,000. As we prepared to embark on the journey back home, my airport look had to strike that perfect balance between comfort and style. I reached for my trusted pair of jeans, a reliable choice that never disappoints, and for the top, I slipped into my cozy purple sweatshirt from H&M. It was like a warm, comforting hug, ideal for staying snug during the flight. Of course, my slim-fit sneakers were a non-negotiable part of the outfit. They were perfect for navigating the airport, ensuring I could breeze through the terminals with ease. My tan crossbody bag, a trusted travel companion throughout the vacation, hung comfortably by my side and completed the look with a pair of sunglasses. This ensemble wasn't just about style, it was a smart choice for traveling light. These were the bulkiest items in my wardrobe, and wearing them on the flight make perfect sense. I stayed cozy, looked chic, and had everything I needed close by. It was a look that embodied both practicality and style, making the transition from vacation to reality a breeze. So that was the video, guys. Everything that I wore on this video and on my trip will be linked in the description box below for you guys to check it out. I tried to keep accessories to a minimum so I don't carry too many things that I don't end up wearing. On this trip, I realized the importance of rolling your clothes and packing them in a compact manner. So if you are interested, I can always share some references that helped me pack in a light manner. I am definitely not an expert, so I cannot be sharing that with you from my own experience, but I can tell you there are a lot of videos on YouTube and on Pinterest where you can get ideas on how to travel light. So I'll link them in the description box below for you guys to check it out. It helped me a lot and I'm hoping that it'll help you guys as well. A quick disclaimer before I wrap this video. In my last video, I told you guys that I will be starting an Instagram broadcast account, but unfortunately only on the 1st of October did I find out that you need a minimum of 10,000 followers on Instagram to start a broadcast channel, and I'm far from it. I'm only at 3,800. So thank you so much if you guys followed me, but unfortunately we will just have to wait till I hit that number. It would mean the world to me if you guys can follow me there so that we can start the process as soon as possible of this broadcast channel and I can share this information with you guys. But having said that, I will not force you guys. If you guys have any questions or queries that you'd like me to address on a one-on-one basis, you can always send me a DM and I promise I will respond to you guys. There is a lot of festive content coming your way because Myntra is starting their end of season sale very soon. It's going to be one of the biggest sales of the year. So warm up those pockets because we're getting Diwali ready. There's so much happening. I'm beyond excited and nervous at the same time because I have so much content that I need to bring out before the festive season comes to an end so that you guys have enough and more time to shop and be ready with the festivities. Do let me know what you thought of this video. I'm going to see you guys very soon. Do hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see this face over and over again. I will see you guys very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. Mad love, guys.